Hello everyone, welcome to channel IGCSE and GCSE Maths School. Today also we are going to discuss the paper 2 of mathematics Edexcel IGCSE 2023 January. We have discussed in this paper up to question 10, but we are going to do start the discussion from the question 11. Question 11 is question of graphs. We have been given 6 graphs. What we have to do is we have to match these equations to the graphs. We have to determine which graph equation goes to which graph. That is what we have to decide. We have to write here this y equals minus 2 over x goes with this graph. We have to write the letter f here like that. That is what we have to write. See, we will see that question, right? Okay, now they have been given a graph here. A is a parabolic graph, parabolic and maximum parabolic graph. Then this one B is a reciprocal graph. So the graph goes like so always without cutting the axes like this, or like this, and like this. These are called what? These are called reciprocal graphs. They are reciprocal graphs, right? Now we have given the reciprocal graph here. Then this one is a cubical graph. This cubical graph is of the form y equals x a to the power x cube, like that. Then a may be any number, like say like positive or negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever it is, whatever number, right? 8, right? Then there's a coefficient of cubical term, coefficient of the cubic term, right? Okay. Then this is another parabolic graph, that is minimum graph. Then in this one here is again about this kind of graph. What's that called? Reciprocal graph. Then this one is another what cubical graph, right? Then we will go to determine which graph equation goes to which graph, right? Okay. Then this one. Take the first equation, that is y equals here. This one y equals minus 2 over x. Y equals minus 2 over x. Y equals minus 2 over x. Right? Minus 2 over x. Right? Okay. Then this is a reciprocal graph. Always, this is now look at here. This is a reciprocal graph. Therefore, it must be this so this. Graph must be this so this. Then which one out of these will go with that? Right? It's the graph of this. That is what we have determined. Right? Okay. Now, how do we determine that? How do we determine that? Right? Okay. Now we will determine whether this one, in this one, whatever, when the x values are positive, y values have become negative. See, here y values are negative. These are negative y values. Right? With all x values, you get negative y values. Here with all negative x values, you get positive y values. Positive y values. Right? Therefore, in this one, when x is negative, y must be positive. X is positive, y must be negative. When x is positive, y must be negative. When x is negative, y must be positive. Right? We'll see. When x is, let's substitute some positive values here. Let's say positive 1. Minus divided by 1 is minus 2, because of negative number and positive number. When two numbers of the different signs are divided, answer is always negative. That is the director number rules. Now we have done the director numbers, and there's a playlist called director numbers. Go to that playlist number, those things, right? Okay. You will understand that minus 2, here x is, let's say, all positive. Positive 1 means y is positive. Let's say positive 2, y is positive, and negative 1. When x is positive 1, y is negative 2. When x is positive 2, y is negative 1. X is positive 3, y is positive 2 over 3. Sorry, negative 2 over 3. When x is positive 4, y is negative 2 divided by positive 4 means y is negative half. That means for all x values, y is negative. All x values, y is negative. For all positive x values. For all positive x values, y is negative. This is the one. For all these positive x values, y is negative. All this. So therefore, this is the graph. No need of checking any other thing. Therefore, this will be B. Right. Then go to the next one. Then what you have to keep in mind always, if you have the fractional function or fractional graph equation and x is in the denominator, it is a reciprocal function or reciprocal graph. The graph goes like this. Right. Okay. Now what is the next one? B. Sorry. Next one, this next equation y equals 5 minus. Let's see which graph will go for this y equals 5 minus x square. Y equals 5 minus x square. Right? Which graph will be the graph of this equation? That equation will get 5 is there. Here there's a quadratic graph. It's a quadratic graph. There's a square. Whenever x squared appears in the graph function, it's a quadratic graph. If the highest power is square in the graph function of a graph, that graph is a quadratic graph. That function is a quadratic function. Right. Okay. Now see, this must be the two quadratic graphs are here, two parabolic graphs. This is the nature of the quadratic. This is how the quadratic graph goes. Then there are two. There's a maximum quadratic graph and minimum quadratic graph. Right? Then what out of these two will be the graph of this one? That is what we have to understand, right? Then that is here. This y equals 5, and then here to understand which one of these two will be the graph of this one, you have to look at the coefficient of the square term. What is the coefficient of the square term? This square term. This is x square. Coefficient of the square term here is -1. It's a negative coefficient. Whenever it's a negative coefficient, it is a maximum graph. This one, maximum graph. If this has a positive coefficient, let's say like y equals 5, 2x 5 plus 2x square, then coefficient is positive. Coefficient is positive. That is positive. In this case, this graph is what minimum graph. It's a graph like this. Right? Right? Then this is what this is here the coefficient of x squared is negative. Therefore, it's a maximum graph. This one is the graph. Right. Now next one. -2 y other one is what -2 other one is what -2 y equals -2x cube. This is a cubical graph. Then these are the cubical graphs. Cubical graphs go like this. This is one of the ways of cubical graphs going line, right? Okay. Then therefore now y equals -2. Which one? Then this must be both these are cubical graph. Which one is the graph of this one? That is what you have written. How to determine? Then again you have to look at what the coefficient of the cubic term. If the coefficient of the cubic term is positive, graph goes like this. If the coefficient of the x cube is positive, if the coefficient of the x cube is negative, graph goes like this. That is it. Here it is negative, therefore the graph goes like this and like this. The graph like that is this. That is it. Okay. Keep in mind those important points and do again and again and watch the video again and again. Try to understand, right? Okay. That's all. Now we go to the next question, question 12. The question 12 is the question of cumulative frequency graph. Now they have said that there are some people who have gone for shopping. So then this cumulative frequency graph shows the time that they have spent in shopping. This is the number of people. So altogether there has been 60 people. Then they have spent time from 10 to 20, different times from 10 to 20. So we'll see what it is. Then what do you mean by this? Now here they say 3 people have spent. This means now here corresponding to 10 minute 10 minutes. 3 people are shown here. That is the number of people who have spent what you call spend time. Then here now look at what do you mean by this. Now if you take this point, the cumulative frequency is 3, time is 10. This means 3 people have spent 10 minutes or less. That is what it means. Now you take this one here, this point. This point is time is 20, cumulative frequency is 8. What do you mean by that? That is 8 people have spent 20 or less minutes. Then take this this one 30. They say this point, at this point Right. Okay. Then here take this point. This point the time is 30. Cumulative frequency is 15. What do you mean by that? Then 15 people have spent 30 or less. That is what you mean by less time. Right. Then we take this one for this point 40. Time is 40. Cumulative frequency 25. What do you mean by that? Then 25 people have spent 40 or less time than 40. That is what we mean. What do you mean? Then if you take this what you call this. Uh, Right. Let's take this 50. Uh, take this 55. 55 is 48. Okay, what do you mean by that? That means 48, cumulative is for 48 people have spent 55 minutes or less. That is what is meant by that. Okay. Right. Now let's take this one. Um, Now take this point. This is where the time is 60 and cumulative is 55. What do you mean by that? That is 55 people have spent 60 minutes or less than that. That is what is meant, right? Okay, whatever it is. Okay, now we see they ask find an estimate for median. This was first part is a find an estimate for the median. Find an estimate for the median. Right, okay. How do you find median? First of all, you have to find the place of median, right? You write place. That is place where median lies. Place of median. You have to find that. You normally know in this um, in statistics, median is the when the set of data is arranged in ascending or descending order, value in the middle position. So this here also what we are going to do is to find that middle position as place of median, right? Place of median equals always total frequency divided by 2. So, right, okay. Then what total frequency is how much here? This is total frequency 60. 60, then divided by 2, how much? 30. Then 30th place. 30th place. Then you have to go to 30th place. What is the 30th place? 30th place. 30th place. Then you have to find 30th from the 30th place from this cumulative frequency axis. Here, go to 30th. Here, this is 30th. This is the place of median. Place of median. Okay. Then you go like you draw a line. Right, like this. See now that draw a line, and this is the working. Then from that line intersects this cumulative frequency graph at this point. Draw a line down. Like then it is here. Here the median. Median is how much according to the graph. You find your median after drawing the graph, but according to my graph it is 44. Median is 44. Median equals 44. Okay. Median time that has been spent by any of the persons who visited the shop. Right. Okay. Then B. Find the number of people. Find the number of people who took more than 55 minutes more for shopping. Find the number of people who have taken more than 55 minutes for shopping. then divided by the number of people who have spent more than 55 minutes on top. All right, then go to 55 here from this side. 55 here. 55 minutes. So they have given the time this time. They have go to 55 minutes to the in the time axis, right? In the time axis, horizontal axis. Then draw a line to cut the cumulative frequency graph. Then they intersect at this point. From that point, you draw a line towards what? Horizontal line towards what is that called? This cumulative frequency axis. Cumulative frequency axis. Right? Keep a rule and draw. Right? Don't draw like this. Okay. Then this is 40. From this side, we get 48. What do you mean that 48? What do you mean by that 48? That 48 means, as I defined earlier, then you must be able to interpret this graph very well. That is always if you take a cumulative frequency value corresponding to a particular time value, particular value from the horizontal axis, it is always that cumulative frequency value shows that the number of things or items that is less than or equal to that horizontal value axis. Here, accordingly, this 48 is what? 48 is the number of people, and this corresponding time is 55. That means this 48 is the 48 people have taken less than. Now, 48 people from here, there are 48 people have taken less than or equal to 55 minutes. 48 people have taken less than or equal to 55 minutes. Then what is asked from us? We are asked to find the number of people who have taken more than 55 minutes for shopping. Then this part is how much? 55 or less than. Then this part must be the part what is 55 or more than 55. This must be the number of people who have taken more than 55 minutes for shopping. That means it's 48 to 60. Then how do we get that? Then answer is A, this B. We can say what? Out of this is to be deduct. Then that is or this part. Because this part shows number of people who have taken 55 or less than 55. Then 48 people have taken 55 or less than 55. Then other part out of this, that 60 must have taken more than 50. That means to get that amount, we find this part is 60 minus 40. 60 minus 48 means 12. 12 people. 12 people have taken more than 55 minutes. Right, 60, 40. Correct? Okay. Then next one. Frequency. Now they have asked you to find the frequency table, group frequency table from this one. These are the class intervals. Then in this one, right now they are 0 to 10. 0 to 10 is 0 to 10 is sorry, here 0. 0 to 10 is 3. Here 0 to 10 is 3. Then next one 10 to 20. 10 to 20 I told you. 10 to yes 10 to 20. Then 10 to 20 is what? Then you get the total frequency from 0 to 20. 0 to 20 how much? 0 to 20 is 8. In this 0 to 20, 0 to 10 is also included. In this 8, number of people who have taken 10 or less than 10 also are included. Therefore, to get 10 to 20, you deduct this 3 from 8. Then it will be 5. Okay. Now, you will get from 30 to 20 to 30 to get the number of people who have taken from time from 20 to 30. What you do is to get the frequency from 20 to 30, you deduct some of these frequencies from this 10 to 20, this cumulative frequency of 30. Cumulative frequency of 30 is 15. Then deduct the cumulative frequency of 20. How much? 8. 15 minus 8, 7. Then you want to go to find the cumulative frequency of 30 to 40. Then get the cumulative frequency of 40. That is 25. And from deduct, take the cumulative frequency of 30. How much? 25, 15. 25 minus 15 is 10. Right. Then you want to go to cumulative frequency of, you want to get the frequency of 40 to 50. Then get the to get the frequency of 40 to 50, go to the frequency of 50. This cumulative frequency of 50 is this. Out of that, this 40 means all the all the frequencies of from 0 to 50. But now we want to find only the frequency of 50. Therefore, deduct from this 40 all the frequencies from 0 to 40. 0 to 40, all the frequencies are 25. Then 40 minus 25, 50. Okay. 40 minus 25, 50. Right. Next one. Then 60. Then frequency of 50 to 60. To get the frequency of 50 to 60, then get the cumulative frequency of 60. That is 55. That is 55. Out of that 55, you deduct the cumulative frequency from 0 to 50. 0 to 50 is 40. Then deduct 55, 40 from 55. So that is 50. Okay. Then 60 to 70. Then to get the frequency of 60 to 70, take the cumulative frequency of 70. From that, deduct the cumulative frequency of 60. Then 60 minus 55, that is 5. Now add that here, that it is equal to 60. Here 8, here 7, 15, here 25, here 25, 40, here 40, 55. Yes, correct. Okay, that's all. So that is the end of this video. We are doing another interesting video next day. And have a nice time, and see you watch this video several times. Try to improve your knowledge of this mathematics to pass the exam with flying colors. Have a nice time. See you. Bye.